Hello friends, today I will tell you 5 simple tricks to multiply any number. So I am going to use some tricks to multiply a number. So the first trick I am going to use when base is 10. So we are going to take some numbers who is the nearest number of tens like 12, 13 and up to 20 numbers you can multiply. So then the second trick I am going to use is when the base is 100. So like 80 to 90 numbers, that numbers base should be, we will take the base as 100. And then the short tricks to multiply when number is with 11, any number we are going to multiply with 11 with a short trick. Then the fourth trick I am going to use is when sum of unit digit is 10 and remaining is same. And the last trick I am going to use is when unit digit is same and tens digit is different and sum of 10. So I am going to show you the tricks. So the first trick I am going to use is when base is 10. So it is a very useful trick and very simple trick to multiply a number by taking base 10. So the number I have taken 12 into 14. 12 into 14. So what I am going to do is 12. So 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. Then this 14 minus 10 is 4. So what we are going to do is we will multiply this 2 with 4, that is 8. So we will write only 8, the single digit 8 we will write. And then what we will do, this 12 plus 4, we are going to add this 12 plus 4, or you can add this 14 plus 2, that is 14 plus 2 is 16. So like this you can take any number nearest number of 10 and you can multiply. So that is 13 into 15 we will take and we will multiply this number. So what first we are going to do is 13 minus 10 is plus 3 and then 15 minus 10 is plus 5. So we will multiply this two number 3 into 5, that is 15. So we will write only 5 and 1 will be carried. Then 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18 and 18 plus 1 is 19. So when 13 is multiplied with 15, we are getting 195. This is a very simple trick for multiplication of the number of base 10. Then the next trick I am going to use when the base is 100. So I will take the number 94 into 92. So I will multiply this number. What I will do, I will subtract this number with 100. So 94 minus 100 is minus 6 and then 92 minus 100 is minus 8. So we will multiply this minus 6 into minus 8, that is minus 6 into minus 8 is 48. So we will write here 2 digit 48. This 2 digit will write 48. Then what we will do, we will subtract this 94 with minus 8 or this 92 minus 6. So when we subtract this 94 minus 8, it will be 86. Then next I will take the number as 85 is multiplied with 98. So what I will do here, so here 85 minus 100 will be minus 15 and then 98 minus 100 will be minus 2. So minus 15 into minus 2 will be 15 2s are 30. So we'll write here 30 And then what we will do, we will 85 minus 2, we will subtract this. 85 minus 2 will be 83, or you can do 98 minus 15, so it will be 83. Then the next I am going to take is 104 is multiplied with 102. So we'll multiply this 104 with 102. So these numbers are near to 100. So 104 minus 100 will be plus 4, and then 102 minus 100 will be plus 2. So what we are going to do is we'll multiply this 4 into 2, 8, but we'll write 2 digit. So we'll write here 0 and 8. The last 2 digit will be of 2 digit number. Then what we'll do, we'll add this 104 with 2. So that is 104 plus 2 is 106. So when 104 is multiplied with 102, we are getting 10608. So I will take one more number, that is 117 multiplied with 107. So what here, 117 minus 100 will be plus 17, and 107 minus 100 will be plus 7. So 17 into 7 will be 119, but we will write only 19. We will take 1 as a carry to the next number. So what we will do here, we will add this 117 with 7. So 117 plus 7 will be 124, and 1 carry will be 125. So when 117 is multiplied with 107, we are getting 125 and 19. Next I will take one more number, 108 is multiplied with 94. So here 108 minus 100 will be plus 8. This is plus 8, and this 94 minus 100 will be minus 6. So here we are getting one plus number and one minus number. So what we will do, 8 into 6 is minus, we will write 48, and then 108 minus 6 is 102. So what we will do, this is the minus 48. So we will subtract 102 with minus 48. So it will be 101, 10152. So this is the tricks to multiply a number when the base are 100, the number which are nearest to 100. So the next trick I am going to use is to multiply a number with 11. So multiplication with 11 is very simple trick. So we will take any number. 32 is multiplied with 11. So what I am going to do is just we will write this 32, 3 and 2, and we will leave the middle space, and then what we'll write in the middle is we will add this 3 and 2, that is 3 plus 2 is 5, and we'll write it in the middle. So it became 352. So we are going to add this 3 plus 2, that is 5. So 32 into 11 is 352. Now next I am going to take one more number, that is 231. And when 231 is multiplied with 11, so what we are getting the answer as, so we will write 2 and 1 in the this 2 digit in the last. Then what we will do is we will add this 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then leaving one number, then we will add this 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So the 231 into 11 is 2541. So friends, please watch, please like and subscribe my videos. Thank you.